invite to midnight ramen, okay? Bonne fête, ma chérie, merci. Check that out. Don't you see it's a bowl?
Oh shit, I guess not, right?
Okay guys, so I'm going to manger. Well, my family manger too.
Wait, well?
Out of one of the investments that I
And then
have.
get camera lá, so family manger.
Well?
What? Yeah, I'm cooking.
It's not gonna work.
I thought we were trading your dresses.
Makune.
What dress?
So I just have to check what
No, I
people
said it.
have in there to
I said
do
we're rating your dresses.
Hi guys.
And we just don't care. And it's a birthday.
So I'm just mix creamish.
I want to say hi to Maya again.
Say hi to the birthday girl. Hey, Ma. Ma, if you're there, put hi.
Yes. Say hey Kayla only. And Amari. No.
Sa não quero meter coteto no lá. Merci chérie, meu merci.
No, no, it's fair.
No.
Yes. Merci beaucoup. No.
Mimi. No, she's not on there. Say. Say.
Fale créole, Omar. Não vou dizer como fale créole.
Bonsoir.
Makune.
Que lá tem desenho, não, que lá manquei, não, que lá de Yandu, não. Que lá 20 bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir live.
Makune.
Battery. Hey. Hey.
Carapuze.
Yang mau tak biar.
So, me.
Fuck.
Me.
I don't know. I
Happy
don't know my
birthday.
password.
Jangan mesti selalu.
My text.
Happy birthday.
Bukan ni tak, no, I'm recording over there too, so.
Oh, he's recording. He's actually recording. She's recording on that.
Nah, you gonna show me and then I'll be
Put it
able
under
to
there.
do it easy. If anything, if you
Collect the bag.
if you can't figure it out and you have money up to your Coinbase, I can do it from yours for you. That way you see how you do it. But as far as for mine, I won't be able to do it because I have logged onto yours because I can't have you see my screen. I don't know how to do that. And then I don't know my Google
You're supposed
password.
to say bonsoir, Sherry.
That's why I tried to.
Say it.
Yeah, I tried to.
Bonsoir, Sherry.
Umar, give me that pot right there.
Say hi to the live. Hi, bonsoir, Sherry. Bonsoir.
The one all the way on the
It's
left.
okay, give me that.
Bonsoir.
Here you go, my text.
Birthday, girl. Bonsoir, Sherry.
She don't know English.
How's that going?
Hey, Mom.
Let's say hi to Maya. Hey,
Yeah, I need that.
Maya.
That's for the jacket.
Oh, this?
Hey! Goddamn.
You guys are retards.
Are you on the video?
I don't want to be in the video. That's so mommy.
Okay, so sausage no,
I don't think fans like that.
What, 6%?
Yeah.
sausage no spaghetti, I blow ma fruit. Pour me mettre le bagage là. Joyeux anniversaire, merci chérie.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup, merci. Merci. Gagné la blague, on va manger pour la vidéo. Et la fini quoi les vidéos,
If you want to sit back and see if that shit
avec
works,
Malim.
you ain't gotta add no money to that $100.
Bagay m'a fait, et va essayer
Let
m'a
that
fait le
$100 turn
dire.
into $20,
Just fait photo like I made,
$2
my
$60
laugh,
$5
my
it's gonna be $100. You know what I'm saying? But like I said,
After
you could
you-
buy packages
okay.
for as little as
Can I be?
Yeah, like me.
Leave me 360 or 350?
350.
We throw 950. You burning
This is
your...
not recorded.
It's still recording. Right?
Make sure she don't get up.
Pwede si Boki si Wilmute. Si Wilmute na maunan.
Mom.
Papi.
That's all she did. Started I'm not getting from her. I was trying to kiss her and she
You
came and
just
grabbed
took
the
the
phone.
phone away from me.
She runs the phone. She's the boss of the phone.
She's cooking. Psych! Hold on. We're playing.
Ah?
Oh, like that. I didn't want that.
Oh, wow.
Maya wanted the whole pan. Anyway,
You
that's...
see, Mimi? Once I left the restaurant, everybody started coming. Everybody.
Like what? Like who?
Everybody
Ready?
that I know
3, 2,
that used to come and to come work. They come find Wesley.
Alright, 3, 2. Hi, Katia!
You like West, you always behind the camera, bro.
Hi, Katia. Alright, 3, 2.
You miss.
Got you.
You're like this. Mimi's gonna send you the address. I said Mimi's gonna send you the address. You see my hairline?
Yeah? No. She don't even remember that it's there.
She wakes up at night.
Huh?
Can you fix it?
How?
Can you put the knot behind your hair? Behind your neck?
This way.
But it says my name.
Hi, Mama. Look at it. You got it.
This is turning to a dreadlock. She don't want no one to touch her hair.
Go back take the tea.
Mommy?
Chloe, come talk to your mom.
Mommy, I'm sorry, birthday girl, but
Chloe,
your laptop is just so cool.
come talk to your mom. Hurry up. Hurry up. Stop. I'm not gonna hear you.
It's saying something to me.
She's right here. She's right here.
That's not your pants. That's my baby's pants.
Martha, I want to talk to you. Martha, I want to talk to you. Here. Malta, I want to talk to you.
The drink, Martha?
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Say hi.
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 Go!
Look, I already took the phone away from her. Abby, you're such a bully.
It's so hot in here that my hair is so wet.
Talk.
Hi, Malta.
Babe, you know what I came to realize? I came to realize that,
She's a big bully.
That you can't hang.
She can't bully me.
I guess
She takes everything she wants by whining.
What happened?
I came to realize
That
that,
does it. Hey, what do you want?
As soon as I give her the phone. Here.
I came to realize that
Hey, why you take that FaceTime photo?
Show that. I'm handcuffed. I'm handcuffed me.
what's your
Hey,
password, babe?
please.
Smiley 26.
See?
Thank you.
Bye.
Adios.
He already hanged up anyway.
I hung
Hi,
it up.
papi. Oh, shit. Me vemos ya.
She was not sure what I'm like.
I forgot. Me vemos ya.
Say goodbye.
Tired.
Hold on.
So a little tired.
You gotta hold on. 3.
I've been
Two,
trying to wait
one,
to
put on.
play the game with y'all, but
Yes,
it
we
seems like
finished.
it's not happening, huh?
What?